Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what I think if travertine in a patio is a good idea or not such a good idea. So we are renting a home and there is this really nice and beautiful travertine floor which is made from really large beautiful travertine stones. I mean, not polished ones. They are more like matte natural, and in general they are really nice. I mean, the owner who did that did a great job on that, and everything is flat and stable and easy to use usually. But there is one big problem which I have every now and then, and these are these ants. So every now and then, maybe every 2 weeks or so, I open the door, go out, and I see these piles. I mean, not large piles, but I can clearly see some activity from ants coming up, and then it needs some action from my side. Usually I'm spraying some anti-ant spray, let it dry, clean it up, and usually it's not coming back, but there is definitely some sand missing then underneath, and if this keeps going for years and years, I guess there will be so much sand missing underneath that the pavers or these tiles will be not stable anymore, and so probably would have to take them out and fill everything up and put them back, and this could be quite some work. In the last home which I had, it was just normal concrete, and then we put some normal tiles on it. Of course it was a little bit more slippery, you had to be a little bit more careful, but we never had such problems, of course, because it's impossible for ants to dig through concrete. It will be safe and stable for probably hundreds of years. I mean, of course, I'm not saying it's a really bad thing. I love the travertine, most people love the travertine. It looks really nice, stylish, beautiful, usually easy to use. I'm even cleaning it with an automatic vacuum cleaner. I mean, like a robot vacuum cleaner every now and then, and usually it's absolutely no problem, so there's no big maintenance to do. These ants are really the worst part of it actually. So you have to decide on your own. This is something which probably people won't tell you when they are selling you the travertine. And by the way, it's not only in this place, it pops up in a lot of different places where we have this travertine or other pavers. And I mean, the owner really did a great job on that. He somehow compressed everything underneath. I think he was even mixing sand and concrete somehow, but it looks like it's still not enough. As long as it's not full concrete, then you will have to deal with such things. So this is what I wanted to let you know. It would be also really interesting to learn from you. What's your experience if you have similar tile floor or travertine tile floor? Are you still happy with it after a couple of years? Or would you decide for something else? Just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.